Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm going to do a little short video today. I've done a video about grubs, whether they are a resource or a pest, and I guess they're both actually. I'm doing a video on feeding them to my native birds, which I'll have it up posted in a day or two. But I've got a few grubs here. I've got a small amount of compost here, and I've got 3 pieces of celery. And so I want to find out if grubs are good or bad, or if they could be considered composters as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these grubs in. I'm going to just very lightly bury these 3 pieces of celery here. Come back tomorrow and see if the celery has been eaten, so because that's all that will be in there is those grubs. So I'll check back tomorrow and let you know. Okay, good morning everybody. So we're back here. It's day 2. Remember yesterday I showed you that I have, I don't know, 7 or 8 or 9 grubs in here, and I put some pieces of celery in to see if the grubs were going to eat them, and to see if they were like composters as well, just like my redworms. So I can see a piece of the celery here. So that looks pretty much untouched. Let me find another one. That one looks untouched. Well, that one looks untouched. So day 1, I don't see any composting going on or by those grubs. So we'll come back tomorrow and see if there's any difference tomorrow. Stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. So this actually is day 3 of my experiment to see if the grubs do any composting. So it's in the morning, been 3 full days, and I had put 3 pieces of celery in, and I can see the edge here. So let's see. Doesn't look like any eating there. None there. What's that other side? Oh, here's the other one. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, still got a lot of grubs in here. I had 8 or 10. There's another one. Yeah, they're still moving. So my little 3-day experiment, of course, no telling if maybe it takes them longer, but to me, it doesn't look like they go after the same kind of material that my worms would for composting. So I guess my answer to my question, are they good composters as well? Not that I can see. So if y'all have any other information, let me know. Appreciate you watching. Would always appreciate a like, a share, and a subscribe. And until next time, good growing, guys.